Welcome back everyone, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here I am, back out on the farm again, and here is that warm greeting from all the cows on the farm. Well, time to get started. This is the first shot of the day, 40 yards, and he's down. Now I'm trying to locate this guy to make sure that he's done, but the cows are blocking the view. So I changed my location to get a better angle so I could see and ensure that this bird is down. And sure enough, as I change locations, there he is, done. I didn't realize it in the beginning, but I was shooting in the wind that was about 12 to 15 miles an hour. And yes, it did start affecting my shots down the line. But let's take a look at that shot through the scope cam. Here, I speed up the film as I'm changing positions to locate this guy to make sure he's done. And there, you see, done. In this scene, there's about 4 or 5 pigeons lined up, but yet there's a little cowbird in front of them. But, oh well, he's got to go too. At first, I thought maybe I shot 2 pigeons, but only one went down. So, the cowbird and the pigeon are done. 30 yards. And here is that shot through the scope cam. The cowbird takes a shot right to the head, and it penetrates through and takes out the pigeon right behind him. And they are both done. Here on the left is the pigeon, and to the right is the cowbird. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Here is that shot through the scope cam in slow motion. I freeze the pellet just before it strikes the cowbird in the head, traveling through and striking the pigeon in the vitals. Good shot. And here they lay. Done. Pigeon, and here is the cowbird. I spot this guy on a rooftop at 45 yards out, and I take this guy, but however, the wind affected my shot, pushing it to the left. Here is that shot through the scope cam. He goes down, and he's struggling, so I quickly reload to put another shot in him. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more. Here is that follow-up shot at 40 yards, and he's done. I spot this guy at 50 yards on the rooftop. Take my time, and I take this guy out with a clean shot, and he's done. You can hear and see the effects of the wing from the wind. The wind is holding his wing up, but it slowly goes down as he expires. Here's that shot through the scope cam. I hold just a tad bit to the left and take this guy out, and he's done. At times there are gusts of wind that was up to 18 miles per hour. So at times I had to hold a little bit more to the left than what I would like. But anyhow, it was working out, and I was taking these guys out. This shot occurs at 50 yards. The wind didn't affect me much here, but however, this guy takes a short flight, and he goes down in the background here. There he goes, into the dirt, and he's done. Here is that shot through the scope cam. As you can see, I'm holding a tad bit to the left because of the wind. However, as I said, this guy takes flight, but he doesn't go far. There he is. Done. I spot this guy in a pen. He sees me and starts walking away. But he pauses, and that pause was costly. I nail him, 55 yards, and he's done. Here is that shot through the scope cam. You see as he turns around, and he pauses, and the wind is at my back, and I nail this guy, and he's done. Solid shot. This shot occurs at 38 yards. This guy is feeding and was unaware of my presence. After taking a good shot, he stumbles around a bit and tumbles over, and he's done. Here is that shot in the scope cam. I squeeze this pellet right in between the neck and the left shoulder, and he's done. And here is that guy. He is done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.